How to find Lloyds Bank IBAN on mobile phone. In order to find your Lloyds Bank IBAN on mobile app, you can follow the steps. First thing first, you want to log into your Lloyds Bank account. Once you're logged into your Lloyds Bank account, select the specific account, your current account for which you need the IBAN. After which, you want to look for a three-dot menu icon or an account details or settings section within that account view. Then you have to choose send bank details, that is tap this option and select send international details to see your IBAN and BIC. You can then select a messaging app to send this directly or details directly to someone. Your IBAN is long numbers starting with GB for UK and is essentially for receiving international payment action like an extended account and a short code. And that's how you're going to find the Lloyds Bank IBAN on mobile app. With that, we have completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.